Hi, I'm Madonna Guy and this is Beryl, and we are here at the Cerule weekend this weekend. And Beryl is a lover of the Cerule.
I love Cerule.
How come?
Well, I had this really bad experience where I had like lots of problems going on, and oh my God, look at me now. I mean, isn't this just
She looks fantastic for 120, doesn't she?
Don't you agree?
Just
100,
joking.
120, 120, like, yeah.
No, joking.
I will be 121 next birthday. Like, how amazing is that?
But what have you noticed since you've been taking the stem cell nutrition products?
Definitely far more energy. I don't have all the pains and aches that I used to have. I've lost lots of weight. Oh, that's the best thing. Just look at this body. I mean, just look.
How gorgeous is young Beryl?
Very gorgeous.
Very gorgeous.
7 kilos
How fabulous.
in 9 months. How
Excellent.
good is that? All inflammation, it all gone.
So
All gone.
stem cells reduce the inflammation?
It's the only thing I've been taking that's different, so it's got to be stem cell.
Okay.
I mean, the stem cell enhancer,
Is that the main thing you've been taking?
well, I'm doing better gluten-free as well because...
Gluten-free.
They're all hand in hand, isn't it?
Anyone who's watched any of my videos know that gluten is your evil enemy. You need to get rid of it.
Wheat.
And the main number one problem with it is the, well, for a start, 30% of Australians have got the celiac gene. So go to your doctors and make sure if you've got the celiac gene, you can develop celiac any time in your life. And also, it's the pesticides. The pesticides make gluten so evil.
And all the other chemicals as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like, just all that stuff they put on ragwort and shit. You know?
Absolutely. So anyway, Beryl, love you. Looking fantastic.
Love you too.
So
love
glad
you too,
you are
Madonna.
doing so fantastically.
Oh, thank you so much. Lovely to chat with you, Madonna.
Yay, Cerule. Love your products. See you later, guys.
Bye.